Audible, Sanoy?
Yes, sir. Audible.
That chapter is over. Now we are supposed to study the S block element, right? S block element.
Yes.
Okay, what is the S block element? Do you know any idea?
Sir, that the one and two groups.
Good. So that is S block element you are saying. So when you talk about S block element, here we can see this one. Here is we are writing S block element. What are the S block elements if you talk about? Last electron enters into which orbital? S orbital. Last electron enters into S orbital. Here you see, suppose I am taking they are present in group 1 and 2. They are present in where they are present? Present in group 1 and 2. Only two group present, group 1 and group 2. Group 2. Two group they are present. If I will talk about group 1, okay, what are the group 1? Here it is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Here is the, if you are going, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, tritium. If you see the atomic number here, 3, 11, 19, 37, 55, 87. Now, if you are talking about 4, 12, 20, 38, here is the 56, here is 88. These are the element of that is group 1 and group 2. This is the S block element, right? This is the S block element. S block elements are those elements in which last electron enters into S orbital. These elements are classified into group 1 and group 2 in extreme left side of periodic table. Which side? Left side of periodic table. Which side? That is left side of periodic table. Tell me, if they are the left side, what will be size of these elements? Size will be large or small? Left side of the periodic table, they are there. So their size will be small or large? Yes or no? Left to right size decreases. What will be the size of S block element? Large or small?
Sir, size. So they are generally the smaller elements, sir, but their size increases along down the group.
So large size, because left side, na, they are large size in the period, and here is small size. If you are moving left to right, the size is what? Size is large. Which one is except in the period? In the period, we are talking about in the period, respective period. But when you are talking about the hydrogen, hydrogen is the smallest element. That is different case. Okay, exception is different case. But here, if you are talking about which one? Let us see this one. Look at it. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Which is the largest size out of these?
Sir, lithium.
Okay, very good. Now, what we need to do here, what we need to do in this case, after the size, okay. So one thing you got to know, let us go to configuration. Okay, what the configuration we can use. Okay, so when you talk about the configuration, just now you say the configuration is what is there. So two group are there. Okay, if you're talking about group 1, and that is group 2. Okay, so group 1 configuration is NS1 and group configuration is NS2. They are called alkali metal. Why they are called alkali metal? Why they are called alkali metal? And this is called alkaline earth metal. Alkaline earth metal. Why they are called alkaline earth metal? That we need to understand. Alkaline earth metal. One is the alkali metal and second is alkaline earth metal. That we have to understand the reason. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Alkali metal. Okay, alkali metal. Okay. So why they are called alkali metal? As their oxides, as their oxides dissolve in water, as their oxide dissolved in water to give base, and base is called alkali. So why they are called alkali metal? Because they are be oxide. Suppose you are using Na2O and treating with the water HOH. So what it will give? 2NaOH. So it dissolving in the water, this oxide. So what you are getting? Base. Base means what they are? The alkali. So why they are called alkali metal? Alkaline metal. ALKALINE. Alkaline metal. What is the reason? Yeah, alkali metal. Because their oxide dissolve in water to give alkali. Next one. Alkaline earth metal. What do we mean by alkaline earth metal? Alkaline earth metal.
Sir, I don't know why their name is alkaline earth metal, but I know that alkaline earth metals is generally the group 2 element.
Group 2 element. Okay. They are found in earth crust. They are found in earth crust. Earth crust. Okay. First one. Which form? In the form of carbonate. It can be in the form of carbonate or hydroxide, any form, hydroxide or oxide, any form, or oxide. Okay, or oxide, and are basic. See, keep in mind, they are found in the earth crust in the form of hydroxide, oxide, or carbonate, and are basic. So called what? So called alkaline earth metal. Alkaline means basic. And what is earth? Because they are found in the earth metal. Like CaO, where you are going to find CaO, earth. Yes or no? Earth. They are finding the earth. Okay, CaCO3, that is also found in the earth crust. Okay, these are there. So the region is this. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the configuration you see group 1. Let us see the group 1. Group 1. So lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So here is 3, 11, 19, 37, 55, 87. So here is what is configuration. 1s2, 2s1. What is there? Last electron entering into s orbital. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. What is come? 3s1. Yes, yeah, no. 2, 2, 4, 6, 10, 1, 11. It will be 4s1. What will be RB? 5s1. What is there? 6s1. And the last one, 7s1. So last electron, you can see here, the last electron, can you check? The last electron enters into s orbital, so s block element, and s orbital is having only one electron. So what will be the group 1? Electron in s orbital representing the group number. Is it okay? No.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Okay. Group
Sir, you
2.
please keep the previous slide for 1 minute, sir. I was noting down.
Oh, no problem. Take. Today match is there, India versus England.
Yes, sir. Say hi.
Done.
No, sir. So done.
Okay, thank you. Now let us see the group 2. We are studying the properties simultaneously, right?
Yes.
Group 2. So you see the group 2. Configuration. So its general configuration is NS2. And NS2. Okay, so beryllium, magnesium, so this one. So here is 4, 12, 20, 38, 56, 88. What will be there? That is 1s2, 2s2 configuration. Can you see the 2s2? It is coming. Yes, yeah, no. Next one you see.
Yes.
This is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2. If you see the next one, what will coming? Next one, it will come 4s2. Next one, it will come 5s2. Next one, it is the 6s2. And next one, 7s2. So when you talk about this one, so the last electron successively filled in the s orbital, that belongs to s block, and here is the group number 2, because s orbital is having 2 electrons, so it is going to be group number 2. Done.
Yes.
Okay. So these are the point to what we can study. Let us go back to the NCERT book. From there we
Okay.
can, from there it will be the easy to study. Is it visible? Is
Yes.
it visible? Okay, see here. We are going to line by line NCERT, okay? We are trying to deal with the NCERT, then most of the things will be clear. What are the first points? See, if you study this one, the S block element, you see, the S block element, what they are saying. But it is not allowing to write, Sanoy. What is the problem? The S block elements of the periodic table are those in which the last electron enters into outermost s orbital. Is it okay? This we study, this line. Are you studying? Are you
S
getting?
block elements of the periodic table are the yes, I got.
Thank you. Now the second point you see, as the s orbital can accommodate only 2 electrons, so 2 group 1 and 2 belongs to the s block elements of the periodic table. So because s1 and s2 configuration are there, so that is group 1 and group 2. So group 1 of the periodic table consisting of how many? The element lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. They are collectively known as alkali metal. What metal? Alkali metal. They are so called because they form the hydroxide on the reaction with the water, which are strongly alkaline in nature. So why they are called the alkali metal? Because their reaction with water giving what? Highly alkaline. Next one. The element of group 2 include beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. These elements, with the exception of the beryllium, are commonly known as alkaline earth metal. These are so called because their oxide and hydroxide are alkaline in nature, and these metals oxide are found in the earth crust. Are you be able to understand this point?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now go back to the next. Oh, very difficult. This is not allowing to write. I don't know what happened to this one. See, I cannot write on this one. No writing is allowed. I think I did not download.
So you did not download, so that is why they will not allow to write.
So here only downloading option is here. It should be now.
Can you please give me 1 minute, sir? I want to plug in my this one, sir, laptop. It is not
Oh,
charged.
okay. You plug in, no problem. Oh,
Sir, done. We'll continue.
thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Oh, hmm. Okay, this line you see, which one here? Among the alkali metals, sodium and potassium are abundant, and lithium, rubidium, cesium have much lower abundance. That is why lithium battery is not able to, India is not able to prepare large quantity, because reason is what lithium is lesser. Source of lithium is very less. Nowadays, they got in there, Ladakh Valley, they got the storage of lithium. Otherwise, lithium is being imported from the foreign countries like the USA. That is one the problem. Okay. Next one, see.
That
Francium
is why
is,
these electric vehicles are becoming so much costly.
yeah. Francium is highly radioactive. Which one is francium? And its longest lived isotopes, francium has half-life of 21 minutes. What they are saying? Longest lived isotope, francium, which one? You see there, here is francium 223. How much half-life is there? 21 minutes. What are there? 20 minutes. Getting? Keep in mind, francium half-life is 21. Of the alkali earth metal, calcium and magnesium rank 5th, 6th in abundant repeatedly in the earth crust. Which one is there? Calcium and magnesium. Which element are there? Calcium and magnesium, 5th and 6th element. Abundant, right? In the earth crust. Strontium and barium has much lower abundance. Beryllium is rare and radium is the rarest of the comprising only 10 power, minus 10% of igneous rocks, where it is forming. See the radium, where it is forming. Rarest of all comprising only 10 power minus 10% in igneous rocks. Is it okay? So radium is what? They are very, very less in concentration. Here, see, the general electronic configuration, we already did this one. Okay. Here you see. This electronic configuration, we studied this one. Here you see, lithium and beryllium, the first element of the group 1 and group 2 respectively, exhibit some properties which are different from those of the other member of the respective group in the anomalous properties. They resemble with the second element of the following group. So lithium shows similarities with magnesium. If you see diagonal relationship, you study or not? Diagonal relationship.
The diagonal relationship in group 1 and 2.
Lithium, beryllium, no. Boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Here is
period.
sodium, period 2 and 3. Sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. So how it is the representing the different properties? You see, lithium will be similar properties with the magnesium, beryllium, aluminum, boron, silicon, carbon, phosphorus. This one, like the size. So that is what they are saying. Lithium shows similarities with magnesium, beryllium show with aluminum, and many of their properties. These type of diagonally similarities is commonly referred as diagonal relationship. In the periodic table, the diagonal relationship is due to the similarities in ionic size. Their ionic size are same, or the charge by charge and radius ratio are the also same. Monovalent sodium and potassium ion has the divalent magnesium calcium. So sodium potassium are monovalent. Monovalence means sodium is having one charge, potassium is one charge. But if you are talking about magnesium, divalent, calcium, divalent, two charges there. So divalent magnesium calcium ions are found in the large proportion of biological fluid. They all are found in the what? Sodium potassium pump. So they are biological fluid. They are present in what? Biological fluid. Getting this one. This you must have studied in the biology also. Bio, it is there. sodium, potassium pump. These are calcium are in the bones, magnesium are in the bone. These ions perform important biological functions such as maintenance of ion balance and nerve impulse conduction. So nervous system, it is required sodium, potassium. Yes or no? Hello? So no, not audible.
Sir, I told yes, sir, sometimes this mic is turning off actually, so that is why I'm not able to hear
So
you.
Sanoy, what we will do here, the remaining general properties we are going to study in the next class, right? Next class,
Okay, sir.
100% on Saturday.
Sir, but one thing I want to say you, so next Sunday, 5th November, we are having the next test. Sir, there, sir, next on 5th November. So, sir, before that, it should be completed.
Okay. Before there, one
Sir,
more
if you
chapter.
could arrange classes, so sir, if you could arrange the classes within the week also, so then it would be very helpful.
Let me check your nurse syllabus. Otherwise, it is the problematic only. How to finish this much? Otherwise, I will make the video. If I will not get time, the chapter which are coming,
Okay,
chemical
sir.
bonding.
That is,
See, chemical bonding, hydrogen, S block, P block. Chemical bonding, hydrogen finished. S block will 100% finished. P block, okay, well finished anyhow. 5th, today is 28th. If I will get the time, night time, I will call you. I will call myself. No, you need not to call. In this week, whenever I will get the time, I will call you back. Okay.
okay.
We'll finish. We'll try to finish by anyhow. I will try to finish. Bye. Okay. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Okay.